The period of deferment in a deferred annuity is the time between the present or purchase date and the start of the annuity payments. In simpler terms, it's the waiting period before you begin receiving or making regular payments. For example, if you buy a deferred annuity today, but the payments begin 5 years from now, then the period of deferment is 5 years. Differentiate the simple perpetuity from general perpetuity. So simple perpetuity, the payment starts immediately or after one period. There's no deferment or only one period deferment and easier to compute using basic perpetuity formula. While the general perpetuity, the payments start after a delay or more than one period and has a longer deferment before payments begin and more complex, needs adjustments for deferment.